Hello and welcome to the Blender Hobbyist. In this video I'm going to show you how to see dimensions of any asset or object in Blender. For example, something like this car, this sofa, or this geometric prism. Let me start to show you with this car. First of all, I'm going to make a cube for this, which is fit. I'm going to hide this one too, which is fit this car. I made a cube, but I need the dimensions, height and length and area of this object. So I'm going to click this cube and I'm going to go to edit mode. You can see the height of car is 1.14 meter, 1.83 meter length, and if I click this face, 2 meter wide. How can I see this? Go to overlays and you can see the angle of edge, length of edge, area of face. You can see the area 2.28 meters square, and I'm going to click this angles too. And if you make a fits cube, you can see the dimension of this object. Let me see. Okay, I'm going to hide this one. Now I'm going to open this sofa, random, and dimensions of sofa I made before. If I go to edit mode, you can see 2 meter length, 0.8 meter high, and for this dimension 2.02 meter wide this object. The most usable part of this is the geometry. If I click this one, sorry, you can see the angles, the edges, and of course you can use this for all geometric objects. For example, a cube. They say this is a cube, but do we know it's a cube? Yes, because it is 2 meter high, 2 meter, 2 meter, 2 meter, and 90-degree edges. This is an absolute square. For example, you can use for a cylinder. It's gonna be a little bit complicated because it has many edges, so it is not useful for object too complex, but for something pyramid. Yeah, now you can see if I select this edge, it is 2.45 meter. If I select this edge, it's 1 meter, it's 1 meter. Let me show you this one, it is 2 meter. You can use this for your geometry lesson to understand the objects. For example, to calculate the area, to see the length of the this triangle, and you can use for square here, for trapezoids. I'm not sure how it's going to be spelled. Oh, sorry. And you can use it for triangulated. 1 1 1 2. It means it is a very classic triangle. 1 2 and 2 point. It's 2 points squared 1 or something like that. You know that formula. Or you can use the formula of area this triangle. 2 times 1 divide 2, it means 1 square meter. For both of them it is about 2 meter. You can see 2 divide 2 point divide 2 times 2 divide 2, that means 2 meters square. You can use this for your geometry lesson, or you can use this to understand your object dimensions. Whatever you want. If you think this is a useful video, thumbs up and subscribe my channel.